Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And after releasing, here we've got the recents. Basically, if you wish to turn them off manually, simply swipe them up like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on close. Your device will automatically close all of them. Of course, we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.